from in Spain. I can swim very well. And to swim, I need goggles. This is my brother Delio. He can swim very well.
This is Amaya Morembo from Spain. Can play basketball.
This is Andy Murray. He is from United Kingdom. He can play tennis very well. To play tennis, he needs trainers and rock.
I am Claudia. I can run very fast. To run, you need trainers. This is my team, Universidad Sports School. We won the gold medal. This is Rafael Nadal. He is from Spain. He is 28 years old. He can play tennis very well. To play tennis, you need racket, ball, and a trainer. This is Sandra Galuquez Basa. She's from Romania. She is 25 years old. She can do gymnastics. To do gymnastics, you need to train very hard. This is Lewis Hamilton. He is from United Kingdom. He is 30 years old. He can ride a car very fast. To ride a car, you need trainer, helmet, and a car. I am Juan. I am from Spain. I can swim very well. To swim, you need goggles.
This is Valentino Rossi. He's from Italy. He is 25 years old. He can ride a motorbike. To ride a motorbike, you need a helmet and a motorbike. This is Tamara, my English teacher. She is from Spain. She is 27 years old. She can ice skate. To ice skate, you need a skate.
My teacher Tamara, she can dance. She is dancing with the cousin.
My teacher Tamara, she can ride a bike. When she was a girl, and now
This is Jessica Ennis. She is from England. She is 29 years old. She can run and jump. To run, you need trainers.
Marta is from Spain. I can play basketball. It needs a ball and trainers.
I can rollerblade very well. To rollerblade, you need skates. I'm 9 years old. I win medal.
This is Tina. She's from Germany.
She's 27 years old. She can canoe very well. To canoe, you need a canoe.
This is my football team. I can play football very well. To play football, you need a ball and trainers.
This is Tamara. She's from Spain. She's 27 years old. She can play basketball. To play basketball, she needs ball and trainers.
This is Benzema. He's from France. He's 27 years old. He can play football. To play football, you need a ball and trainers.
I can play football very well. To play football, I need a ball and trainers. Here, my second goal. This is Javier Gomez Noya. He is from Spain. He can run very fast. To run, you need trainers.
Santiago, it can play football very well. To play football, I made a ball and trainers. He won a lot of medals.